Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to check the maintenance levels on your ROBOROCK Saros 10R. In order to check the maintenance levels on your ROBOROCK Saros 10R, which means it'll tell you how much time you have left before replacement or cleaning of some things in your robot, like filters and stuff, you can go to settings and go to maintenance. Now you'll see the filter. You can see that the filter, you should rinse it every 2 weeks and replace it after 150 hours. I have 100% remaining and 0 hours used. And you can reset it here once you replace it. Then the main brush as well, the side brush. You can also see some tips on like sensors. You can see that you need to wipe them clean after about 30 hours of use. And they are marked here on the photo where the sensors are. And the cleaning tray, whether you should clean it or not, and the dust bag, whether you should replace it. So I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.